In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PDF files not opening on Windows 11. We all know the frustration of being unable to access a PDF file, especially when you need important information or documents right away. So let's dive into some straightforward solutions to help you get those PDF files opening smoothly again. First things first, we need to check whether the PDF file itself is corrupted. This is crucial because sometimes the issue isn't with your computer or software, but with the file you're trying to open. To do this, try opening the PDF on another computer or device if you have one available. If the file opens without any issues, then the problem might be on your device. However, if you still can't open the file on a different device, consider downloading it again, especially if it originated from the internet. Sometimes downloads can become incomplete or corrupted, causing the file to malfunction. If, after trying on multiple devices, you still can't open the file, it might indeed be damaged, and you may need to procure a new copy. Now let's move on to setting a default PDF reader on your Windows 11. This can often resolve issues where Windows isn't sure which application to use to open these types of files. Locate the PDF file on your computer, then right-click on it. This will open a context menu. From this menu, select the option that says Open With. However, don't stop there. Click on Choose Another App. Here you'll see a list of applications available on your computer that can open PDF files. Select the PDF reader you prefer, which is often Adobe Acrobat Reader or another similar application you rely on. This step is vital because selecting and setting a default reader can prevent Windows from trying to open PDFs with incompatible software. Before closing the window, make sure you check the box that says Always use this app to open .pdf files. This little checkbox ensures that Windows remembers your choice and automatically uses your selected app to open PDF files in the future. Finally, click OK to save these settings. These steps should help in resolving most issues related to PDF files not opening on Windows 11. By confirming the integrity of your file and correctly setting a default PDF reader, you're well on your way to smoother functionality and access to your important documents. If you continue to face issues after trying these steps, it may be worth exploring additional technical support or reinstalling your PDF reader software. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and